Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nordana Atira binti Nur Istiha. Today, I am going to talk about organization learning. But before that, do you have any idea what is actually organizational learning is about? Organizational learning can be defined as the process of obtaining, distributing, integrating, and creating information and knowledge among members of organizations. Other than that, organizational learning can also be defined as a process of creating and transferring knowledge within an organization. Moreover, the process of organizational learning involving key components that are supporting the knowledge of the production process, such as seeking information, assimilating, developing, and also creating new knowledge. There are also 4 different types of organizational learning, which consists of individual, group, organizational, and inter-organizational. Individual learning is when an individual worker learns new skills or ideas and the productivity and the performance generally has improved. For group learning, it can be indicated as a teams of employees that are learning new skills together. Organizational learning are using the organization process of gaining new knowledge related to its functions and using that knowledge in bringing changes and increase the efficiency. The last one would be inter-organizational learning. This is known as the broadest type of organizational learning, which is also the most common learning strategy in franchise or large business that have multiple locations. This type of learning tends to blend group learning with the more managements of organizational learning process. Okay, now we are moving on to the importance of the organizational learning. As has been mentioned in the previous part, I have stated that organizational learning is one of the processes that help the organizations to be successful. The importance of organizational learning is it encourages a sense of empowerment in the workforce that motivates the employee to learn continuously. Other than that, it will also lead in increasements of the employee innovations throughout the organizations and also build the ability to develop employee innovations process. How can organizational learning develop employee innovation process? When the employee make a contributions in the organizational learning, it will enhance the skill and knowledge that they have. Due to this, it will help in increasing the innovations of the employee. For example, there is the quote that says, "Teamwork makes the dream work." When the employees come together to brainstorm and collaborate, ideas have the potential to get bigger and brighter. This proves that the organizational learning can enhance the productivity of the employees and also can bring the good outcome for the company. Aside of that, organizational learning can also lower the turnover rates that have been faced by the company. When the company implement the organizational learning, the employees will always gain a new knowledge and can improve their skill. Therefore, they choose to stay in the company as they know the working environment in that company are good in advancing their skills. Moving on to the last part of the video, which is the example of the company that are using organizational learning. One of the companies that use and implement organizational learning is Toyota. This is because, based on Jeffrey Liker, Toyota company looks at every problem as an opportunity to identify root causes and develop countermeasures. This company has also used a method that is known as the 5 whys, simply said by asking why they are able to resolve all of the problems that arise and develop new knowledge in their organization by changing the policies and the procedures based on what they have learned. In conclusion, the organizational learning is one of the important elements to make sure that the productivity of the employees can be enhanced and can also bring a good outcome for the company. Organizational learning promotes a good working environment where the employees can share what they have gained within the organizations. I think that is all from me. May you have a nice day and thank you for your time. Bye!